with the lovely one, bringing the morning together. Let's go pray. We got, we see over here, she's bold, beautiful, Mary Trainer Anatoly. Bring it. It's two species, the sea lions and the funny seal. Okay, let's do it now, Polly. Bring it to the frame. Keep your eyes on the front stage. Special dancing. Is amazing to show you how intelligent she is. Oh, skip catch. Going again. One more. Bravo! Let me take one. Again. One more, the most difficult one. Bravo! Friends, when we talk, what? She's playing and dancing. 2 and 3. Oh, I like it. But you know, Jamila. Oh yes, that's right. The figure walk around the mall shopping. What? This is awesome. Everybody, remember, you have to take a nice picture, take a nice video, but you have to be seated at your own seats. Remember, if you bring a smile to someone's face, you are also going to be a magician of happiness, because making people smile is the most difficult job. Clapping. Yes. The success is only possible. Talking about the species of dolphin, DJ, say what? The trainer, Sergey. This is the baby on the side. 1-year-old Lucy, performing trainer Anatoly. Lucy is just a glimpse up for the show. And now, clap your hands. Come on. Continue applause. Look at the baby, she's playing all by herself. That's right. We bring you something more extraordinary. The helicopter. to give you an amazing picture moment. When we talk about the picture moment, it's going to be something incredible. Oh yes. Everyone now, focus your eyes on the front stage, where the dolphins will come to say hello, Assalamu alaikum, namaste to everybody. We're going to bring it on. Together with power, love, happiness. Let's do it. Cameras ready. They are coming. Suda, come on, dolphin. Luna, Habib.
Friends, old mamas, and the mama got on the table. We call the tail of Fluka. They use the tail to boost the body to swim so fast and to fly so high to the sky like this.
Jump on a ball.
To be the super swimmer. Round one. Fire! Look at that. All of them are winners. Watch. Salita.
Insect. Ya salam. This is so beautiful, mashallah. What is going to happen now? We're going to show you something super cool. Dolphin is going to use the power of the tail to fly up in the sky. That's right, 6.5 to 7 meters. I think that's more above the water level. Dolphin using the power of the tail. The tail is called the fluke. Right now, the fluke helps to swim faster or now to jump in the water. Take a nice picture as they fly. Take a nice video. What you are seeing right now, it's love, it's a bonding.
Everybody, may you have your attention please. Keep it outside. Do not throw it back to the water. Water will crack a lot. The dolphins you're watching here, they have it. Bravo, 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 vamos!
This is so beautiful. You know, we talk about family. When I say family, all the children here listen to me. Always respect your parents. Always listen to mommy and daddy. Why? Because mommy and daddy are never wrong. If you respect your parents, the world will respect you. Then say no.
Signore e signorina, salsa dancing with dolphins. Ready friends, keep your eyes, keep your cameras in the front there. And let's start with the money. Because we are coming on. Vamos, vamos, divina, vamos, DJ.
All set. We go down.
Let's go down.
You talk about salsa dancing?
Si, signor.
Ara, comes in.
Super! We want to feel the energy. Come on, Dolphins, let's do it. Aí, ó. Comente. Now friends, good news today that the family or the person or the people who take the painting, you will get something special with the painting. Nice.
Super. It looks like lines up in the sky.
I think it's trying to show us his home, water, under the water. Let's check one more time with one more color. The largest species of dolphins, we call it the orca, the black and white color. The smallest is the mummy. Now what do you think, Seth?
I think it looks like a rainbow to me.
Let's sing a song today. Wait, friends, wait. My friend, hold on. Thank you so much. Everyone, come on, come on. Now look who's coming, the leaders of the Dolphins!
That is beautiful. Wait a minute. We're meeting the big group, the Dolphin.
Hey, where are they? Diving. Bring the trainers back to the stage. Now, the helpful mammals.
You see that, brother?
Oh, yeah, so that's mammals, the species of humans, they are mammals, the species of dolphins. So now, friends, this is amazing from you. Because now, we will prove to everybody that always with every dolphins plus humans equal.
Mashallah, mashallah. Wait.
The guardians of the ocean, the bottlenose dolphins.
Look, everybody.
Fly.
Thank you, Dolphins. The whole family is here. Luna, Gabriel, Lucy, Owe, Tioma, and Nemo. Here to give you a grand salute. Ready to go? Ready for the joy and the bonding. Let's go for the big now. The beautiful mammals, the dolphins. Love, joy for the ball, love. We clap it out to move to your friend for the moment to shine. One more believe, one more love. Ara is going to bring it out to your friend. Everybody, we're going to play together. It's a joy. Now, it's going to be the lucky draw time. Listen up.